All right, guys, welcome back. I hope you guys had a great day yesterday and was able to complete all of your Google assignments. Today we'll be in Unit 4, Lesson 7, which is called 100%. All right, so the activity or this lesson first starts off with the activity called Notice and Wonder. We've been doing these Notice and Wonder exercises for these lessons that we've been working on, which is I think we did one in Lesson 6 and Lesson 5. But needless to say, let's jump to this one. All right. So the first thing that I noticed is that we have a double number line. Okay, if you guys don't know what a double number line is, this was something that was talked about in 6th grade math, which we use the Eureka curriculum. So I'm happy that illustrative math is making that connection in 7th grade. So needless to say, it says, what do you notice? What do you wonder? So I see cups of chocolate milk, and I see the percentages. I notice that whenever it's 0 cups of milk, that represents 0%. I notice that whenever it's 5 cups of milk, it's representing 50%. I notice 10 represents 100%, which means that 10 must be, which this is just an assumption, 10 must be the original amount or the full serving or whatever, who knows. Okay, 15s represent 150%, 22 200%, and so on and so on. So it says, what do you notice? What do you wonder? Okay, so I already pointed out things that what I noticed. I noticed that 5, I'm gonna put that each increment of 5 represents, what percent you think? Which percent do you think I'm about to write down? Each increment of 5 represents what percent? If you guess 50%, you are absolutely correct. So each increment of 5 represents 50%. Okay. So then I noticed that it surpasses 100%. This double number line surpasses 100%. Okay. So what I mean by surpass 100%, it means it goes over 100%. All right, guys. So I wonder, why is it passing 100%? Or what does this represent? Like, what would 10 cups of milk mean in terms of this recipe and so on? Okay. Will 5 cups of recipe mean? Like, I know I've already told you guys the answer, but these are things that you could wonder about. There's no right or wrong answer, guys. This is either A, what do you notice? What do you wonder? It's just trying to develop like fluency skills for annotations. Okay, how to make annotations when solving these real world problems. Okay, so I want you guys to make sure that you go to your Google Classroom and complete this warm up activity. And I'll see you guys in the next problem.